Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 50 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar, click on it and tap on the month above. Then saucer misclick, pick a date by clicking on the one that you wish to set up and create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now choose event and adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title, choose starting hour, ending one. You can also disable this feature completely if you wish to by clicking on this switcher next to all day. Then select does not repeat and pick one of those options if you wish your event to repeat. Now you can add people, select add location over here, choose while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. Now you can also set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, take notes and even add attachments. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. In order to edit it, click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. Then just save again. If you wish to get rid of it, you need to click on it again, tap on those three dots at the top right corner instead and choose delete. Lastly, confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!